rewarding every day coming in, knowing that you are playing your small part in making the world a better place and giving back to those who are in need and helping any way you can.
Our work is important to the world because Thermo Fisher Scientific is a global company. We produce not only cell culture media, but we produce other FDA medical devices, super cold fridges, other things around the world that enable us to help people make the world a healthier, safer, and happier place.
We're responsible for helping make media for cancer research, as well as making media that has helped with some of the COVID vaccines and testing.
Part of my daily tasks are ensuring that daily attainment is met, and our process is taking media bags and bottles filled with product and finishing them and packaging them.
On a daily basis, things are always changing. We have many different components going into formulations. It's always a kind of an ongoing thing where you have to relay between many different departments to figure out what's available for use at that time being.
Some of the things that are challenging is the attention to detail that is needed. We work in a CGMP environment, which is highly regulated by the FDA. So in other words, we have to make sure that we are dotting all of our I's and crossing all of our T's so that we are in compliance with FDA regulations.
From day one, I have grown tremendously. I have grown into becoming a trainer. I also expanded my wings into another department.
I started as an entry-level technician 5 years ago, and I have been able to work my way to the leadership team. This is not just an opportunity that's available on the manufacturing floor. This is available across all functions at the company, and it has allowed me to build my career.
We're always looking for entry-level associates, people that have some manufacturing background, as well as people who have been in other roles and can work within our organization. There's a lot of growth opportunity due to the growth of our business and the expansion of our plans.
This is a very good place to work. A lot of very educated and driven people that are all having the same goal in mind to make the world a healthier, cleaner, safer place.
I actually just referred two of my friends. One started a couple months ago, and the other one hopefully will be starting in the next week or so.
Benefits are good, the people are good.
I would tell a friend if they're interested in making the world healthier, cleaner, and safer, and they're versatile and they're willing to challenge themselves, I'd say they should definitely sign up.
At the end of the day, I know I'm helping someone else. It impacts people on the street, impacts your neighbor, could impact your child. It could impact anybody that you know. What we make impacts everybody.